Hi everyone, this is Mr. Stanish. Just making a quick video of here about how we do an assignment where you will submit a audio or a video recording that your child will record. So this was Monday's lesson that we did, and this is how they can work on it, and this is how they will do anything that has a uploaded video file that they are going to make themselves. So this right here is our module. The modules will be most likely done by week. I may add some dates in here. I have to see where I want to go with this until once I get there I'll let you know for sure. But right now we're just going to probably go on week 1, week 2, and I'll try and put the dates up there for week 2. Right now we're just getting started, so week 1 may be 2 weeks here, so we'll see. But anyways, our first assignment that we gave on Monday, this was called a discrepant event. So they click on that, and this will take them to the actual assignment. So right here on the assignment, you'll see when the due date is, how many points, what type of assignment they're doing, that they're going to be submitting a media recording, and the dates that it's available. So there's instructions right underneath. It says watch the video, and then use the video audio recording tool to tell which balloon you think will blow up the largest and why, and then tell me why you think the experiment worked the way it did. There are no wrong answers. I want to see your thinking. So first thing you have to do, you can watch the video right here, but the first thing you should do is go right up here. I've done this several times, so it's just going to say submit assignment, not resubmit. So you're just looking for submit assignment. So you hit the submit assignment, and all of a sudden it's going to look almost exactly the same, except you're going to have this thing that popped up that says media and record upload. So you would go and watch this video. The video is about putting balloons inside of a small bottle and a large bottle. It's the small bottles, they cut a little bit of a hole in the bottom right here, and then the big bottle they leave completely closed. The balloons go inside, and then they have to try and figure out which one will blow up the biggest. And most people have the misconception that the bigger bottle will blow up a bigger balloon. But the reality is because the pressure in the bottle, without any air being released from it, does not even allow you to blow up this one in the bigger bottle. But having the hole down here and having a negative pressure on the outside allows the balloon to blow up. So you actually can blow the balloon up inside the smaller bottle. So that's the real answer. So discrepant events are to make your child kind of think and change their thinking of what their original thought was. So anyways, after they watched the video, they would tell us what they thought was going to happen, and then tell us which one was going to get largest and why. And so after they've maybe rehearsed it, or if they want to just go ahead and jump on the video, they can. And this is super, super easy. All they have to do is hit record, upload media. Boom, a player is going to pop up. Sorry, it's dark in my house, and I've got the light behind me. But anyways, you would have this up here. You can see the mics moving back and forth. You can test the mic, you can test your webcam, or if you want to change it because you might have an external webcam, you can do that. Or if they recorded it somewhere else, you can use the upload media, and then you'll have to select your files. I haven't played with that one much, but this is the easiest way to do it straight off the assignment rather than doing it on a phone or something else, as long as your camera is still working. So once they've got their thoughts, all they do is hit start recording. You hit the button, gives you a countdown. You record that I think the balloon was going to blow up biggest in the bigger bottle because there's more room for the balloon to get big. And I don't know how it could be bigger in the smaller bottle. That just doesn't make any sense. When you're done with the video, you hit finish. Now this is the only tricky step, and it doesn't matter too much, but if they want, they can click on this and put their name there. And then all they do is they hit save here. Hit save, and then all of a sudden you'll see a video. I think you can click on this and watch it. I'm not sure about that. No, you can't. So you'll see that the video's finished and it's ready to submit. All they do is hit submit assignment. And boom, you'll have a bar that pops up top that says it was submitted. Also on the side here, it'll say that they had submitted the assignment. Then I will provide them comments and feedback, and this will show up on their sidebar in their thing. So I hope this helps on how you do a video recording. This is Monday's assignment. Go ahead and give it a try. If it doesn't work out for you, let me know and we'll try and get it figured out. So this is how you do Monday's assignment, and also if any other one where I'm just going to ask the kids to record a video. So they'll probably be doing a lot of this here at the beginning. Thanks a lot.